The World Health Organization declared Mpox, earlier known as monkeypox, as a global public health emergency. The global health emergency was declared after the outbreak of the viral infection in the Democratic Republic of Congo and in neighbouring countries.
Last week, I announced that I was convening an emergency committee under the international health regulations to evaluate the upsurge of Mpox in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and other countries in Africa. Today, the emergency committee met and advised me that, in its view, the situation constitutes a public health emergency of international concern. I have accepted that advice.
Earlier, the Africa Centre for Disease Control and Prevention announced that the Mpox outbreak were a public health emergency of continental security and called for international help to stop the spread of the virus.
This is not just an African issue. Mpox is a global threat, a menace that knows no boundaries, no race, no creed. It is a virus that exploits our vulnerabilities, preying on our weakest point. And it is in this moment of vulnerability that we must find our greatest strength and demonstrate that we are all learning from the COVID lesson and we are playing solidarity.
Meanwhile, US is closely monitoring the spread of Mpox in Central Africa.
We are tracking closely on the spread of Mpox in Central Africa. We are pleased to see international leadership in this area. This year, I will note the United States has provided more than $17 million beyond our regularly programmed health assistance to support Mpox preparedness and response efforts in Central and Eastern Africa. We've been collaborating with partners to build capacities to combat infectious diseases, including Mpox, but also HIV, tuberculosis, malaria, and Ebola, and that line of effort has been continuing for more than 20 years.
Mpox can spread through close contact. It causes flu-like symptoms and pus-filled lesions on the body. More than 17,000 suspected Mpox cases and hundreds of deaths were reported in the African continent so far this year. It's 160% increase in cases compared to last year. A total of 13 African countries have reported Mpox cases. With Neha Kumari, Bureau Report, India Today.